It's quite hot. I just reached Aravali now. There are natural hot springs here. So we covered now 275 kilometers from Mumbai here, and now its time is now around 10 o'clock. And now we have reached here, and we will taking a bath there. So let's check out the natural hot springs there. So these are the two natural springs, the natural hot springs, as you can see behind. This is for the gents. You can see it backwards. And this one is for the ladies. So if you are coming in like rainy seasons, this is the best place to hang out with, because you get a perfect hot water. And this season, and now the season is like in the end of May, so this is too hot to go inside, so I'm not going inside, but I will check the water, how hot is this. So let's check out the water here. It's quite hot. If you are coming in this rainy season, then this is the best place to hang out. If you are coming in rainy season, winter season, post season, this is good. So I will be going to the cold springs now, the river now. So I will be doing some bath there, and I will be going to Ganpatipule. So let's go there. Hello friends, now the time is to check the water testing of GoPro. I will be going in the river with the GoPro. So let's check out the footage. Hello friends, it was awesome experience with the water. This water was too cold, so let's go to the temple now. The temple is now closed, but we can see this. I think look at the architecture here. It's too awesome. Ancient scriptures which are carved on the walls, on the stones. We can see the temple from outside only. This is the Kedarnath temple. Whenever you are visiting here, please visit this temple. So I just had a quick look at the temple, and now we just had a bath. Everybody has changed their clothes. Now we will be going to Ganpatipule. I just reached Ganpatipule now. I will be going to the temple. There is quite a big line for the darshan at the temple. We are not going to in the line and not entering the temple. We will just go from the outside and we will be taking the darshan. Hello friends, I just had a darshan at the temple from outside. Look at the views guys, quite big. It feels like the ocean is getting angry. The beach is getting angry. Look at the views. We just finished exploring Ganpatipule. There was a traffic bit, like a little bit there, so we had to wait for like 15 to 25 minutes. And then we took the Aravali road, and that will be going to Pawas. And now we have stopped here at Hotel Sanika for the lunch. So friends, done with the lunch now. Going to Devgad now. We will see you there. Hello friends, I just reached Devgad now. I will be having a dinner at Vasant Vijay Hotel, and then we'll be going to the farmhouse. So friends, this is our room for tonight. We will be leaving at 6 o'clock in the morning. If you like this video, press the like button below. Please comment guys which part you like the most, and please guys subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to watch the next video which will be coming for the second day, but that is for tomorrow. The next video will be uploading soon, so please guys stay connected with us, and please guys watch the next video. Till then, bye, take care.